Hi guys. Okay, it's another LovenStamps Studio Tour, and today on our tips for organizing your studio, I'm going to talk about ribbon. And I promise to turn in about 9:30 Central Time every morning during the week. So Saturday and Sunday we won't have tips. You'll have to come back on Monday. And if there is a little pop-up on Facebook, make sure you click to be notified when I go live so you won't miss anything. But whether your space is big or small, whether your space is dedicated like this, or you're pulling things out of the closet or drawers or whatever to stamp and then putting it away so your family can have dinner, these tips are hopefully going to be helpful to you in keeping your supplies where you want them so that when you sit down to make a card or a page or whatever, a treat, then you have what you want. So ribbon. All right, so my past storage has often been like this. If this is your storage of ribbon, I feel for you. It's not ideal. This is how I keep my past ribbons, not the ones that are currently active. But when I set up my new studio space, I came up with a really great solution for these. And one of the best parts is that it's free. There's nothing specific to buy or anything. So let me scoot you down here and show you. Here is my ribbon storage, okay? So let's see, I'll scoot you here. So here is my ribbon storage. It is a Stampin' Up! Shipping box, which you can see. And one of the things about working in drawers is that you don't want the flaps all the time because they get in the way. So basically what I've done is gone ahead and just used some heavy scissors and trimmed off the edges of the flaps so that everything sits. And the thing that I like about this is that it's really easy to get ribbons out. I've seen the rolls for the ribbons too, which is great if you're the only person who's going to use your ribbons and you're not going to take them out, but where you'd stick a stick through the length of the rolls. But if you're taking ribbons out, like you need to carry them someplace else or you need to take them to a workshop or something like that, then it's much nicer to have these set up where you can just take out the exact ribbon that you need and move the roll along. So you can organize them by color, all kinds of things like that. But the other nice thing about this type of storage is that you can put them in your rolling cart. You could have a smaller box that you can take out of your rolling cart, but it really kind of keeps everything organized. Now, if you are looking for, a way to kind of keep your ends, one thing that I've seen is, I haven't done this, which you can tell, but one thing I've seen people do is take a little pin and just put a little pin in the end of their ribbon there. So that keeps the ends of the rolls organized. So, all right, I think today's tip might be pretty short. So grab your ribbon rolls, grab a box, go ahead and chop the edges off of your box, and yeah, get some stuff organized. So, all right, tune in on Monday. I'm syncing my camera here. Tune in on Monday for another organizational tip. And the tip on Monday will be about, oh, I just wrote it down. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, it's in the video description, so you can check the video description and find out what I said it is. But thanks guys for watching. Happy Friday. Hope you have a wonderful crafting weekend. Take care.